Very good morning, class. This lecture is about service oriented cloud architecture, and the code for this subject is TCS 859. Myself, Dr. Sachin Sharma. We are discussing Unit 1. We'll see the what are the skill sets required to become a full stack developer. Being a full stack developer, he or she should know what the front end technology, what is the back end technology. In back end technology, what are the development languages, what are the databases and cache. They should know also about VCS, what are the APIs involved in the system, what are the servers involved in the system. Other than that, it's always good to know the uh, information about the security, what are the testing procedures, algorithms, and data structure and design. So, being a full stack developer, these are the skill set that being a developer should know. Front end technology. If you talk about the front end technology, the full stack developer should be master of essential front end technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, knowledge of third party libraries like jQuery, Less, Angular, and React.js. As a development language, full stack engineer should know at least one server side programming language such as Java, Python, Ruby, or .NET. If you talk about the database and cache, the knowledge of various DBMS technology is another important need of full stack developer. MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, SQL Server are widely used for this purpose, and the knowledge of caching mechanisms like Varnish, uh, Memcached, Redis is always advantage being the knowledge of it. Basic design ability. In order to become a successful full stack developer, the knowledge of designing is also recommended, and the person should know the principle of basic prototype design and user interface design, UX UI. Server exposure to handling Apache or Nginx server is desirable, and a good background in Linux is also help administrative servers to understand version control system. It allows full stack developer to keep track of all the changes made in the code base, and the knowledge of Git, you also call it Git, helps full stack developer to understand how to get the latest code, update parts of code, make changes in any uh, developer's code without breaking things. And GitHub always help you to uh, develop your developing skill, the piece of code, understanding the piece of code and merge into your existing project that you're working in it, and how to get advantage of using the piece of code in that. Working with APIs such as REST or SOAP, so knowledge of web services or API is also important for full stack developer. Knowledge of creation and consumption of REST and SOAP services desirable. What is software stack? Software stack is a collection of the programs which are used together to produce a specific result. It includes an operating system and its application. For example, a smartphone software stack includes OS along with the phone application, web browser, and default application. A full stack web developer is a technology expert who can work on both in front end or back end of any application. Full stack developer helps to keep every part of system running smoothly at front end and back end. Skill sets required to become a full stack developer are front end technology, development language, databases, basic design ability, server, working with API, and version control system. Software stack is a collection of programs which are used together to produce a specific result. LAMP, that stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, or PHP. MERN, MERN is a full form of MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. Mean stands for MongoDB, Express, Angular.js, and Node.js. Full stack developer can earn up to 100K per year, and it's in dollar. The biggest myth about full stack developer is that they are writing all types of code themselves, which is not true. They should have knowledge about it, not the full implementation uh, process. LAMP stack. LAMP is widely used model for web services stacks, and its name LAMP is an acronym of four open source components. L is for Linux, and which is an open source operating system. A for Apache, which is widely used web server software. M for MySQL, which is popular open source database. P for PHP, which is server side open source scripting language. These above discussed components supporting one another. Many popular website and web applications run on LAMP stack, such as Facebook. MERN stack. MERN is a collection of JavaScript based technologies. M for MongoDB, popular NoSQL database. E for Express, which is light and portable web program framework. R is for React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and for Node.js, which is a server-side JavaScript runtime. This is currently in huge demand as it is widely used to develop web application. Mean stack. Mean stack application development is witnessing a growing trend in uses. Mean is an abbreviation of M for MongoDB, which is NoSQL database. E is for Express, which is easy to use light and portable web program framework. A is for Angular.js, which is robust framework for developing HTML5 and JavaScript web programs. N is for Node.is, which is a server-side JavaScript runtime. So that's it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.